Hi, my name is Aaliyah, and I'm at the cafe. It's my first day on the job. Right now, I am learning how to package and label the teas. In addition to working at the cafe, something I've had the opportunity to do is to also go to the warehouse and see how things work there. So it's learning even more about the packaging and the labeling process, as well as meeting a lot of the team, which was great. I'm very diverse here at Zen, which not that I didn't expect it, but it was a welcome surprise for me. And also it helps to see things or see other people, I guess, that are like you, which is great. Something cool that I learned about Zen's Tea House at the warehouse was also that they help with other tea businesses as well, which I thought was really, really cool. I didn't know. I thought Zen's Tea House was just its own business, but not that it also helps other businesses and helps people who want to create their own tea business. He mentioned that there was someone who worked for him before who wanted to do their own thing with tea, and Fernando, the owner, was there to help with that. So I thought that was really cool to learn, and it's great to see. There's a lot that you need to know, but something that I'm looking forward to specifically is learning about more farmers markets. I definitely like being a people person and connecting with people, and also I liked tea. I am not the most knowledgeable, but I really do love health and wellness, especially when it comes to teas. It's something that's like an everyday thing for me. So I'm looking forward to learning more about what Zen's Tea House offers, and then also telling people about those offerings so that they can also enjoy the benefits as well. This is my second day on the job, and I look forward to checking in with you over the next few days.